everybody. Gunner and Bird is guest star here with Gunner's blah blah fucking blugs. We still haven't looked up what the title was, and we're exponentially drunker than we were in the first episode. Because guess what? We're still wearing the same clothes. We're still sitting here. We're still drinking. So anyway, on that note, more 90s fucking commercials. Yeah. Let's hope there's less cum fountains in this one.
At this point, we're starting to dance like them two dudes from WWF.
WWEF.
These guys. What were their names?
Bushwhackers.
Bushwhackers.
One kid's meal right away.
I just had Burger King today.
Yeah, you did. You was shitting yourself all day, too. Since I got here.
Well, dude, Whoppers give you the Whopper farts. I mean, what are you gonna fucking do, man?
Meat filled with gas.
Isn't meat? It doesn't have the texture of meat.
Have the French toast.
Look, it's the Trumps.
You can collect all four, only one each week when you buy a kids meal.
Room for a little dessert.
The Burger King Kids Club, just for fun.
Oh, so we're continuing basically the same commercials we saw in the last one, because we get more Mr. Wizard, and guess what? Cum fountains.
Oh, god damn it.
Damn cum geysers.
I don't want cum geyser anymore.
I know, dude. I don't want any of this anymore. Why did we agree to do another episode? I mean, like, who would we agree with? Ourselves. Nobody's making us do this.
We're like, we should do it. No, we shouldn't. Yes, we should. No, we shouldn't.
Because, yeah, you came over to just hang out and drink, and I was the one being like, we should be productive.
Yeah, you're like, we should do things. I'm like, ugh.
Like, people actually want to watch us hang out and get drunk.
Do things. Speaking of which,
I don't want to do things.
I don't want to do.
I don't want to do anything that you're fucking thinking about doing.
Oh, those be a pussy.
Dude, I remember those. I didn't
had
have,
one of these?
No, obviously I did not, but aren't they like cupcake dolls?
I don't know, you seem to know a lot about them.
I know nothing about them. I was just saying, aren't they cupcake dolls?
I don't know. Were they?
I don't fucking. Yes, they are.
Yeah, they are cupcake dolls.
Oh, wow. You're right. I had 47 of them. Hey, Hammer.
MC Hammer?
Yes, it was.
Dude,
Beetlejuice. Dude, you remember the Beetlejuice
cartoon?
cartoon?
Shit about MC Hammer lately, dude. MC did not fuck around.
Fuck no, he did not. Did you see the interview with Redman? Interview with Redman was talking about him.
With Hammer, dude, he'd come at you strong.
Yeah, dude, for real, for fucking real. So yeah, if you're interested in like old school hip hop and MC Hammer or even Redman, just look up on YouTube. There's an interview where Redman talks about getting into it, kind of, with MC Hammer.
It was good to see Redman too, dude. I miss that guy.
Dude, he hasn't gone anywhere. Redman's been around forever.
It's just been a while since I've
Slap this shit out, yeah. You know? Slap this shit out.
That's a good song. But yeah, dude, I learned that never fuck with MC Hammer.
Dude, did you see that? The Genesis was $150 for the console. Now consoles are like $500.
Right? Yeah. We need your life savings for this.
Dude, there is nothing worse than Hershey's chocolate milk. Like with like Hershey's syrup. So fucking gross.
Also, being teabagged by a homeless guy is not, I mean, it's better than Hershey's chocolate syrup. You'd rather have teabagged by
hell rollers. Yes. I remember those. Remember they had pebbles with marshmallows.
I remember that. So I'm gonna tell you that. I'd rather be on the street someday. I'm gonna find a homeless guy and be like, "Hey, I want you to teabag this dude."
Well, we're not in the town you live in. We're in the town I live in, so you won't find many homeless people. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I know. I just like giving you shit because the reputation of your town is not the greatest.
Oh, that it had before.
Yeah, I like giving you shit about it. It's fun.
Oh god.
We both live in some pretty kind of cool old school towns that were very cool in their boom days. Yes, they are not anymore. No, they are dead as fuck.
These towns like that, they're trying to get there.
They try.
They're getting there.
But
it's slow going.
It's a whole bunch of different shit that we do not need to get into.
Well, they need help by the community. As much as the community likes to say, like, we need to do this, they don't do it. It's easy to say it on Facebook. It's a lot harder, I guess, to get off your ass and actually do it.
Yeah, for real. Beautiful! So, dude, how do you feel about being laid off again for a week?
Huh? Well, how do I feel? Oh, I feel fantastic.
Because I'm probably going to release these 4 days in a row. I'm probably just going to get these out there.
Obviously, it wasn't my boss or his boss or the whole company's choice.
It was the county's decision.
Obviously. Well, hey, look, hey, you know, assholes would fucking wear a goddamn mask and stop being dickbags.
I fucking know, but
we wouldn't be in this situation.
Dude, people are fucking assholes.
You want everything open, but you don't want to follow the fucking rules. Okay, fuck you then.
Yeah.
You're costing me my job now, dickbag. You're
fucking
stupid
for
asshole.
real.
Walking around, you're like, well, the president said, so I don't. It's called personal responsibility. Don't follow that dick fucker.
It's respect for other fucking people.
Exactly. He's good, dude. Presidents come and go, man. Don't lose all sense of
humanity over yeah. Because this dude's gonna most likely be gone in a few months. Right? And we, as a fucking community, are going to look at you for the rest of your fucking lives like you're a dickbag because you've been a fucking dickbag for these last 4 fucking months.
That's right. Remember, asshole, I'm wearing the mask not just for my liberal buddy, but for you too, man.
Yeah, because you're a decent human fucking being.
Exactly. Don't let Trump lower you to his level, you know what I mean?
Or not even just Trump, even just the Facebook stuff. So I guarantee
all that bullshit.
The motherfuckers.
You're right.
The motherfuckers I be seeing in Walmart to be walking around without masks on, it's all Facebook. Like, it's all like, you know.
It becomes too easy to just blame him.
I don't want to get into it, but yes.
It's an array of shit.
This is the story of.
So have we seen any of the commercials on this episode? So welcome to Gutters, blah, 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 when we don't react to blah, blah, blah.
Standard houses of 1987.
God, I've seen so many houses that look exactly like that, man.
Yeah.
Exactly like that.
Good as the day it was installed.
Hey, you remember when Sears existed? You remember when JCPenney's existed? You remember when Hills existed? Do you remember when fucking Kmart existed? None of those places exist anymore.
Like, dude, everything's fucking like, you know, it's so funny. Everybody's just like, oh, celebrate, because like, as of late, it's been 4th of July, and everybody,
yesterday in real life was the 4th of July.
Was on Facebook like, celebrate America, and I'm like, dude, I'm just watching it burn, and I'm like,
yeah,
what are we celebrating again?
Well, dude, weren't you talking earlier about how, like, you know, you were at a party yesterday, which I still don't even know how, whatever. But like, yeah, wasn't somebody like, are we gonna sing happy birthday to America?
Well, like, okay, like, we had a small party and the next door neighbors had like a little small shindig, you know, and the girl brought out a cake and she said, are we gonna wish America happy birthday? And I just sat there and I got like this you know, this angry, you know,
that feeling, that
it went down into the pit of my stomach, and I was just like, and not for America. It's not. I'm not like, I hate America. That's not what I'm saying. You know what I mean? But most people stupidly look at it that way. As soon as you say anything in opposition, they're like, you hate America. No, dumbass. You know. I'm like, I hate its current situation. And I think you can give me that. Yeah. You know, things are kind of fucked. You know, regardless if it was a Democratic regime or Republican, it's still fucked, dude. We're still fucked. Either way, don't make it a political thing. Jesus Christ. You know what I mean? I mean, you're a regular person. Your next door neighbor's a regular person.
No, fuck my next door neighbors.
Okay, fuck him. But I'm just saying, the politician, man, who's already
I have nothing against my next door neighbors. I'm just kidding.
He's getting a test. If he wants whatever, he's getting it. He can't relate to you. Regardless, Democrat or Republican. That's what I'm saying. Because people get twisted. They're like, well, you're for Trump, or you're for Trump. Like, no, dude. Don't get it twisted.
I'm for fucking people.
I'm for people. You know what I mean? I don't think politicians are.
Oh, you turn to a pirate.
They're making me turn into a pirate.
Arr! I be taking me booty.
That's right. Well, I think we should start taking their booty because they can take it all.
You want to take their booty?
That's right. Yeah, Joe Biden, I want your booty. You know, I'm gonna let me sniff your hair, fucker.
I would go for McConnell's booty.
Would you?
Yeah, dude. Because I would have bet.
You would have what?
I would have bent him over top of a fucking desk, and I would have banged him so hard that his neck waddle goes.
Jesus Christ.
Sorry.
I mean, punish him. Sure.
Yeah, that's punishment.
You can do it through the courts, not your wiener. Your
Hey,
wiener is
I'm
not
like
the judge.
I'm like that motherfucker from Aphrodisiac, the sexual something of marijuana.
Wait a minute.
I use my fucking cock as a weapon.
As a hammer.
Dude, I could use my cock as a hammer. I could
Mitch is like, what are you doing back there? Cover. Kettle.
Hey, speaking of Cookie Crisp,
Ooh, damn, that's a lot of Cookie Crisp.
oh, that's Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Never mind. I'm drunk. And you know what's great? We're more than halfway through this episode, and I have completely avoided us doing another shot because that would be unresponsible.
Oh, you're.
Even me. Now, on Nickelodeon Newsflash, kids are attempting to build time machines so they can race through.
I want a time machine, dude. I want to just go away.
You want to go away? Like, okay, so where would you go? That would be great.
I would go all kinds of different places and times.
Like where? Let's go with it.
What?
Come with it. Where would you go? What would you do?
I would go to I would go to the early 40s.
Oh yeah,
first.
40s, they're fucked. You'd fucking
Dude,
die.
they're all
Sucks.
fucked. I mean, I wouldn't go to Germany or Europe in the 40s.
The kids we call will call.
The whole country would be at war. Everything would suck and blow. Oh, why would you want to go there?
You've got 3 chances to make a match.
Go where?
Anywhere.
Whatever.
Anytime you go to is gonna suck in its own right.
Yeah, but not if you go at certain times where you know that hey, this 3-day weekend's cool.
What's Terry's big secret?
I would go to that fucking the 60s, go to the whatever that was called, the Monterey fucking Blues Festival and stuff. That'd be awesome.
I would go back to where.
Dude, is this Parker Lewis? Fucking Parker Lewis! It's a Parker Lewis.
I would go back to where the first little slime thing came out of the
And
ocean.
step on it.
I would.
And you'd be like, ah! And you just fucking.
Like fucking Back to the Future,
yeah.
I would fade.
Yeah.
Erase from existence. Just like Doc Brown said.
Yeah. Actually, dude, I can't fucking blame you for that. I think you would, save a lot of people a lot of trouble.
I'm gonna save you a lot of trouble. And then just be like,
So, yeah, let's just build a time machine and let's make that our fucking goal.
go back and crush the lizard thing that came out of the water.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, alright, yeah, cool. Yeah.
I got a little dark, didn't it?
Watch, when we go back, we're like, hey, Shiny Shit was this little thing. It comes out of the water. We're like, oh my god! Big ass claws and teeth and shit. We're like, okay, fuck that.
Hey, Darkwing Duck. What is that, Land of the Lost?
I don't know, but I thought that was Clint Howard for a second.
Yeah, nice, dude, nice.
Has never been this much fun. Let's get dangerous.
Yeah.
I loved Darkwing Duck back in the day.
PC police would have a problem with all of this.
Dinosaurs rule.
Why?
Because they rip everything apart now. Everything. They're like, oh, you can't say that because that would be offensive to this. You can't say that because that would be offensive to this. You can't say that because that would be offensive to this. You can't have hot dogs because that's sensitive to fat people who are trying to lose weight. You can't have a bear.
You can't
You can't have a bear that's
baskets.
sensitive to animals. You can't have this, can't have that,
Oh,
can't have
dude,
lightning, it's sensitive to...
dude, Super Mario World's the greatest Mario game ever fucking made. I will fight a motherfucker to the death if they try to argue that any Mario game's better than Super Mario World. To the death.
Yeah, you can't have them insult plumbers because, they're, but they'll just find anything.
Dude, you can't insult plumbers because they take care of your shitty toilets.
Look, I understand basic racism, and I understand if somebody's being a fucking asshole and saying something in a racist manner or doing something in a racist manner. You know what I mean? If a product is being predictably racist, you know what I mean?
Where are you going with all of this? You don't know, do you?
No. Could you stop me mid-sentence?
I didn't stop you at all. I was just looking at you.
I'm saying, there's some things that are obviously in that category, and some that you're just trying to find.
Well, yeah, obviously.
And nowadays, they're just trying, I feel like they're just trying to find shit to appease. They don't want that shit. You know, nobody's like somebody else said. Nobody's running around with a sign that says like, you know, Black Lives Matter. No, they took that down and said, no, we want the guy who does the voice for Cleveland to be taken away. You know, because that's offensive. It's like, we just don't want black people killing, or black people. We want cops killing black people indiscriminately and for whatever fucking reason.
Yeah.
You know.
Cancel
and do
culture.
whatever fucking reason.
It's cancel culture, dude. That's a thing now. Cancel culture is a fucking thing.
Right.
I'm surprised we haven't been canceled yet.
Why? Because, you know, we say something in the opposition, we're not like, you know, cops are great.
No, I'm surprised we haven't been canceled because we say things as jokes that people are like, that's horrible.
Fuck them.
Fuck them. Uh-oh. Has our drunk turned angry?
No.
And were we on the verge of that angry drunk? One step forward, we're going, Arr!
No.
I mean, you were already...
We're getting the jism.
You were already pirate drunk. Arr!
I did the one time.
REM's Michael Stipe meets the...
Dude, Pete and Pete, dude. I loved Pete and Pete. Do you remember Pete Law? The young brother had the fucking tattoo of the chick on his arm, and he was
holy shit! Dookie. Everybody just found out Trump became president.
Trump became president.
Oh, are you serious?
New Candid Camera with Dom DeLuise. Catch us if we
Dom DeLuise, dude. His laugh was...
Yeah, Dom DeLuise was cool, but he was also kind of like the death knell of some movies.
That's fine. Whatever.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, like...
But I did like Dom DeLuise.
His laugh was fucking contagious.
So it was like...
Let's do another round.
Okay, no!
Here we go.
What do you think of Smoking the Bandit 2? Speaking of Dom DeLuise. Because I know you're pretty much on the same page as me that the first Smoking the Bandit's a great movie, right?
It wasn't like terrible. You know, I wouldn't kick Smoking the Bandit 2 out of the bed.
But I'm saying, but you're on the same page as me basically that Smoking the Bandit 1's a pretty great movie, right?
Yeah, well, yeah.
And 2 is not that fucking great.
No.
And 3's just fucking god awful.
Fuck, 3.
It's like, dude, this is all Jackie Gleason too, so you would think, oh, dude, that should be awesome. It's not.
No.
Well,
Well, they watered it down pretty hard.
they'll have to be nice, because if Nick takes over your...
But yeah, dude, Smoking the Bandit's still, to this fucking day, one of my all-time favorites. There's just something about it, dude, like the freedom of that movie. Like, in the 70s, I mean, you might be able to get away, kind of, with the stuff that the Bandit did. Not really, but kind of. But it's like, just the freedom of that movie. See, you watch it nowadays, you're like, oh, dude, can you imagine? Nowadays, there's no freedom of nothing. You're just like, oh, you're driving down the road, there's 16 cameras looking at you all at one fucking time. Plus, there's 6 people with fucking phone cameras that just so happen to be filming you at one fucking time.
Just waiting to catch you in the act.
Yeah, dude, for real.
That's probably not such a bad thing in other situations. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't necessarily trust authorities with their cameras, and they're just like, all right.
Oh yeah.
Hit them.
You ever rollerblade?
Hell no, dude. I don't get the belts for that shit. I'd fall my ass like nothing. I tried.
I have a feeling we talked about this, but
I tried roller skating.
I also might have
I was
talked about this
shit.
on Discord.
I was
so I don't know.
completely shit. We went to arenas and shit and tried to like do like roller skating.
Yeah.
I was complete shit. I would fucking hit the wall. Or
Do you know
fall my
I
ass.
was the worst at like ice skating. I tried one time, and it was just like I could not fucking do it. My fat ankles were like. But so yeah, that was another episode. Actually, the last episode of Gutters blah blah fucking blah for now. Who knows? I might bring it back at a point. Who knows? We might be fucking laid off longer. We might not.
We don't know.
Yeah.
Just like everybody else, everything's up in the air.
So I do love how, like, you know, our fucking, like, our content, how much we put out, be going.
Sorry about the up and down motion.
Dude, I'm sure that the people that actually watch this are super happy just to get any extra content whatsoever.
Hopefully they understand.
Well, dude. Yeah,
I'm
they
sure.
get it.
They
They get
get
it.
it.
But anyway,
Everybody's in the same boat at this point.
we'll see you fucking later.
Can't believe you bitched up. Bitched down on the shot.
Oh, yeah, dude. I made through that whole episode without doing another one.
I knew
Dude,
you were just stalling because you
I'm
didn't
good.
do it.
Dude, I'm fucking good, dude. I really don't drink that much. I don't want any more liquor. I'm good. I might have to hop onto a watch party at some point here.
That's your response? That's the end of it? That you big puss. Get the fuck away from that thing. Don't
What?
you dare touch that.
The camera?
That's right.
Why?
Because you're going to answer for your bitchery.
Why?
We should do one more. I think you're fine. You're a bitch.
I think you're fucking insane.
You know that already.
I ain't doing more whistle pig, and I damn well ain't doing any more tequila.
Water?
Oh yeah, I'll do a shot of water. I'm fine with that.
Oh, of course. It's okay. I won't force you to be a man.
Well, my wife never forces me to be a
That's
man,
true.
so why should you?
Well, I mean, if you're put to the test, you really can't. There we go. We're back down. What does that mean?
I don't fucking know, dude. You said don't stop the camera, so I didn't start to stop the camera.
There was a second part to what I said.
What about? I don't know what you're talking about. What? You're talking about the 3 massive bottles of fucking liquor on my table right now.
Yeah. I want you to prove to your audience that you're not a woman.
Wait, so you're gonna pull my dick out on fucking film? That ain't happening. That ain't happening at all.
No. You do not need to see the hog.
What?
Yeah. Come on, afterwards we'll do like the fake mock, you know, like the arm wrestle thing that it did in Predator. We won't actually touch hands though. An updated version of it.
Corona version.
This far away.
Like fucking Demolition Man.
Yeah. That's great. Be well.
Be well, John Spartan. Fine, dude. If I'm doing it, I'm mixing 3 liquors all together. The Maker's Coons deserves its fucking deal. You.
Wait, you're gonna put that, and that all together?
No, I mean, well, in my stomach, yes.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna do like a thing.
In one
I was
shot?
like,
Oh,
damn.
no. That sounds like a very bad idea.
For the guy who was like, let's not do this.
Oh.
Do all 3. You should just take all 3 and wrap like some tape, like electrical tape around it, and just let them go.
That seems like a waste of a lot of money considering you said that bottle you bought was $90.
That is a waste. Okay, use your bottle and do that. Just
No!
like wrap it around your head, like, oh no! No! Hey, get the fuck out of here! I'm not trying whistle pig. That'll kill me. Okay, now he's being the bitch. I know, but like I've been starting with. I've been
stopping.
I can't stop now.
But I've been drinking 3 different liquors.
And
And this episode's going, and there's no reason for it to be going except
this
for...
was my plan the whole time.
What was your plan?
Get you to do all 3, and it worked perfectly.
Really?
So, yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah. Because after you pass out on the couch, you know I'm pulling them pants down and putting some shits on Discord.
Dude, nobody on Discord
Carrots,
wants to see that shit.
cucumbers, you don't... Laramie will look. She might not like it, but she'll still look. She'll be like, I don't want to do it. Oh, God, no. Okay. All right, I got that out of my system.
Oh, man.
Like a squirrel.